Hey.
Okay, you ready?
Uh-huh.
Okay, we're filming.
There I am. Okay.
Hi.
Hi.
Welcome to
I Love My Baby, but I also love my house.
House Tour.
House tour. What's that?
House Tour 2 + 1.
Equals 3, you mean Sonny. So we're out front. Let's take you inside.
Do you want to talk about?
Oh, what we did out here?
Yeah.
Yeah, so this was all green, like an insane mossy gross color green, and then the brick was just natural brick. So we repainted the whole exterior of the house. And then we landscaped too. This was all overgrown with really kind of like old wildflowers. Come on up. One of my favorite things about the house is this sign I got on Etsy. Everybody comments about it. You guys should get it. Cool. Okay, come on in. So the first thing that we did with this house was, sorry, Sonny's sleeping, so we're being quiet. Was the herringbone floor. So this floor, this house had all fake vinyl floors. So we ripped that all up and put in hardwoods, and then we did this really cool design in the front entry. It's cool. Okay, come on this way. So, if you guys saw pictures of our last place in Venice, our living room, you may recognize this furniture, but we have like this kind of formal living room area where we don't really sit. But it's just like a nice little area to hang out in when we have lots of people over, which has happened once. So this dish is a very important thing to you. It holds all of our keys and wallets and sunglasses because you don't want like them lying all over the house. This is this amazing piece of art by Teal Duncan. It's painted as an actual scene from an Instagram post that I posted of Timmy on the beach. So look, there's Timmy with his whole beach setup.
What was I wearing that day?
Oh my God, that like moo-moo.
Yeah.
The fireplace was a huge issue. It was not a working fireplace, and we had to completely rebuild the chimney. The chairs are your mom and dad's old chairs from one of your apartments uptown, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I love them. I'm having a bunch of friends over for a cooking club, so that's why the house is so clean, by the way. It's not usually this clean. Let's go into here. So you guys really mostly see this area on the gram because this is Chicken's area. We converted like our hangout TV watching room to his whole playroom. So we put in the little nomad mats and we made little cubbies for his toys. And so we hang out here to watch TV, but Chicken's is like locked in there too to play.
My mom made that painting, picture, whatever, a long time ago. She's super talented, no big deal.
No big deals.
Okay.
So originally there was a wall here and a wall here, and this was like the actual dining room, and then this was like a little breakfast room area, and it was all blocked off into the kitchen. So what we did was we knocked these walls down to just make this one big like communal hangout room. And that was a really good move. We got this custom Gracie wallpaper made for us, and what's special about it is it has all these hand-painted hummingbirds on it. I love hummingbirds just because someone once told me that my dad like is on this earth as a hummingbird. So it's just special that we have those hand-painted on the walls. Inspiration for these watermelons from Kris Kardashian. I think she always has like a big thing of watermelons in her kitchen. The kitchen we completely completely redid, as you guys maybe know, except for the floors. These were the original terracotta tile floors. The kitchen is the same layout, but everything is just redone. Cabinetry done by semi-handmade, brass handles, brass faucets, new appliances, custom made hood, farmhouse sink, open shelving. We cook so much that it's great to have this new kitchen, and love just having a house in general, even though it's like so much work. Once you become a homeowner, you don't realize like that there's just constantly a to-do list of chores to be done around the house. Okay. Now into our bedroom.
What's in this room?
Chicken's nursery.
We should have all the lights on, don't you think? Whatever. Okay.
So this is our bedroom. I don't know what to say. I love our bedroom. It's really simple. My favorite thing is our rug.
Pretty adult with the seating zone. It's my lamp that I brought with me into the relationship.
Your mom got it for us in New York.
This is my lamp that my mom brought for us.
You did not have it before we moved into Venice.
We'll have to find out about that. This is
where all the magic happens.
My desk and where I edit the videos. This was my father's desk that he gave to me. It's really cool. It has all these compartments. Even a secret compartment. There's paper clips in there. Here's a picture of my mom and my brother and my dad. And then next to Whitney's bed, she has a frame that I got her with a picture of her father in it, and then a picture of me and her.
Okay.
I like it, but Whitney has all these problems with it.
I don't have a lot of problems.
Okay, let's not argue.
Okay, should we go outside?
Yeah, do you want me to film you? You want to film me?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. This is our favorite part of the house, or mine at least. Basically, it was all very, very overgrown. And we created these little hardscape areas to put seating area. So we have this gravel with the day bed and the umbrella as one seating area. Here's a cute little round table area where we can eat, which we haven't, but we should. So this is like a really comfortable seating area over here where we can entertain, or you and I can just sit and have a glass of wine and turn on the fire. This is our dining table outside under this really beautiful eucalyptus tree. I have it set right now because I'm having some friends over. But yeah, it's just so nice to have this outdoor space to entertain and just hang out with the three of us. Moving on. Lounge chair area. This was all like overgrown plants and whatnot. We ripped it all out. So the back of the house was all green stucco. And we wanted to cover that. So basically we did all this wood paneling on the outside and repainted. So over in our master bedroom area, we placed barnwood over the stucco. So it created a little bit of like a rustic vibe. Okay, so that's the house. Thanks guys for watching. If you have any questions about where things came from, head to my blog, whitneyport.com. I put a lot of it there. And yeah, thanks.
Don't come over. Peace in the streets.
Peace in the streets.